everyone, it's Marie Shobe with Basiglio, Sheridan & Shobe, and today we're going to talk about the benefits of hiring a public adjuster versus an attorney, or can you have both? After your home or business has sustained damage from either a storm, fire, termites, you're going to be calling your insurance company to file a claim. At that point, your insurance company is going to send out either an independently hired adjuster acting on their behalf or one of their staff adjusters to come inspect your home. That adjuster is going to inspect the damage and make an estimate based on the damage that they observe. That's going to be forwarded to the insurance company, and then they're going to make a coverage determination. They're either going to pay the amount that they feel is owed, minus your deductible, or they're going to deny the claim outright. You may find yourself in a situation where you feel that the claim has been undervalued. In other words, that you feel that your claim and the damages are worth more than what you're being paid by your insurance company. At that point, you're going to want to decide whether to hire an attorney or a public adjuster. Let's talk about what those are. Most people know what an attorney is, so I'll save that for the end. But for a public adjuster, that is an adjuster, much like the insurance company hires on their behalf, that you can hire on your behalf to evaluate the claim. They're going to come in, they're going to view the damage that the other adjuster did and make their own estimate, something that you can have to show your insurance company why you feel your claim is valued at a certain level. How are the public adjusters paid? It varies from adjuster to adjuster, but typically they will take a case on a contingency basis and make a percentage off of what's settled at the end. They also can charge you an hourly fee for their services. Before you sign anything, make sure an attorney reviews it just to make sure you're covering all your bases. You may be asking yourself, at what stage should I call an attorney? Public adjusters can typically negotiate the claim on your behalf, but some states don't allow that. So all they would be able to do is advise you on how to deal with the insurance companies. Remember, anything that you say can be used against you later on. You may want to consider hiring an attorney from the very start. Attorneys, like the attorneys at Basiglio, Sheridan & Shobe, we commonly work with public adjusters and use them as expert witnesses later on. We have those connections, so you don't necessarily have to pick and choose, but the benefit of having an attorney will allow the attorney to structure the claim from the beginning in the way that they want to see it end. So for example, attorneys look at a case from a litigation standpoint. They're looking at the legal issues that might arise later. Whereas public adjusters might just be looking at the valuation, the estimates, the construction that's going to be involved. They're just looking at it from two different ways, but that doesn't mean you can't have both. If you hire an attorney, many attorneys have trusted public adjusters that they will send out to the property to get their estimates, and then the attorney is the one negotiating with the insurance company on the client's behalf. Some people have the misconception that they're going to have to pay a large retainer amount, but in these cases, that is not the case. Attorneys take the case on a contingency basis. That means you pay nothing up front and you pay nothing unless we recover for you. Depending on what stage the case settles, whether it's pre-suit, where the attorney would typically take a percentage of the settlement amount, or post-suit, where the attorneys can recover their fees separately in addition to what the settlement to the homeowner would be, that's where you want to really weigh out what your options are, because they're both contingent. Regardless of what stage you find yourself at in the claims process, feel free to give us a call at Basiglio, Sheridan & Shobe. We're here to help you. At no cost to you, we will look at the claim, we will look at the estimates, we'll send our experts out there, and we will be on level playing ground with the insurance companies on your behalf. You won't have to do a thing. In sum, you may not have to choose between a public adjuster or an attorney. With our firm, you can have both. Make sure to follow us on social media, like our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and visit our website at mytampafirm.com.